Hey everybody, it's Nhlcardguy here, back in with another video. Today is the start of our 12 Days of Christmas pack breaks. So that's very exciting as we get into this. We're going to have 4 packs a day for 12 days leading up to Christmas, Christmas being the last day. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I've got quite a few packs lined up and we'll see if we can get stuff. So today, our first packs that we got here are a 17-18 Tim Hortons, a 2006-2007 Beehive, a 17-18 Series 1 retail, and then a 14-15 Series 1 hobby. So hopefully we can get something nice out of this. We're going to go in this order here today, and let's get into it, starting with Tim Hortons. Eric Starr, Platinum Profiles of Nhlcardguy. Not a bad start. That's nice out of Tim Hortons. Nhlcardguy. Now on to Beehive. Very weird feeling packs. It's the first time I've ever opened this product, so this is quite exciting here. There we go. Different feeling packs back then. Nhlcardguy, Oh, there, very nice. We got a Beehive rookies of Evgeny Malkin. So, and then Joe Thornton and Olli Jokinen. So I'm just gonna actually sleeve that up just for the heck of it, and I'm also gonna sleeve up that Nhlcardguy so I don't get any fingerprints on it. It's such a shiny card. So Malkin out of that is a pretty good start. I'm happy with that, definitely. And it's the back of the card, so you guys know. Okay, so there we go. Alright, so now on to 17-18 Series 1 retail. Matthews in the front. Really would like to get a Brock Besser Young Gun out of this, but hopefully I can get some Young Guns anyways. Here we go. So we got a Roberto Luongo, a Miles Wood, Seth Jones, Jacob Slavin, Kyle Turris, Drake Caggiula, Jason Zucker, and Anthony Beauvillier. So all base out of that. That's alright. We'll get some later on. And now onto our hobby, 14-15 Upper Deck Series 1. Maybe get a good draw out of this. That would be really nice. Oh, stuck together. Zach Cassian. Oh, there's 2 stuck together. TJ Oshie. Derek Brassard. And a Shining Stars of Patrick Kane. Jeff Zatkoff. Milan Lucic on the Boston Bruins. Checklist of the Rangers. And Joffrey Lupul. So that does it for this break. Just quickly go through what we got. Ended up getting 3 out of the 4 packs. Got stuff. So that's pretty nice. Patrick Kane, Shining Stars. A Nhlcardguy Platinum Profiles, and this nice Evgeny Malkin Beehive rookie. So thank you all for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow as we got more breaks coming. Thanks for watching.